Did you know the small, humble coin you once carried in your pocket could secretly be worth more than your house? Millions of these little pieces of metal, the 1971 UK Elizabeth II to new pence, were used every day, without a second thought. But tucked away in countless old money jars, piggy banks, and attics, are shocking mistakes coins so rare and dramatic that they are waiting for one lucky person to find them and discover a life-altering payday. How can this common, everyday coin hide a potential six-figure fortune? Stick with us to find out. Imagine a single year when the Royal Mint struck an unbelievable number of coins. In 1971 alone, they produced over 1.4 billion pieces of the 2 new pence. That's a staggering, almost impossible quantity, making this coin one of the most widely circulated British coins ever created. To most people, that sounds like a coin that's completely worthless, right? But veteran coin experts know a powerful secret. The larger the mintage, the bigger the opportunity for extreme, dramatic errors. When you make that many coins, the machinery is more likely to break down in ways that create visually stunning, unbelievably scarce minting mistakes. And these are the ones collectors will pay truly life-changing amounts of money to add to their treasure chests. Let's talk about the absolute gold standard of errors, the one that will make your jaw drop. Picture this: during the early 1970s, the Royal Mint was also making blanks, or plankets, for coins destined for other countries. Sometimes, through a bizarre error in the process, a 1971 to new pence was struck on a planchet meant for an overseas contract, using the wrong type of metal. Do you have any idea what that kind of mistake is worth? We have seen confirmed examples of similar UK errors sell for an astonishing £20,000, £30,000, and even £50,000 or more, depending on the metal and how dramatic the contrast is. But a correct, high-grade 1971 to new pence with this kind of major wrong planchet flaw. Experts agree that its value could easily shatter the £100,000 mark right now, and that's a conservative guess. If a unique example of this error were to surface today, that discovery could realistically hit a six-figure price tag and maybe even approach a seven-figure fortune. It could be hiding in your house right now. But wait, there's another kind of catastrophic flaw from 1971 that can turn a 2-pence coin into a stunning collectible. We're talking about the multiple strike error. What happens when the massive minting die strikes the coin blank, not just once, but twice, or even 3 times? The result is dramatic and unmistakable. Queen Elizabeth II's portrait, or the words to new pence, will appear ghosted, doubled, rotated, or significantly shifted on the surface. These extreme multiple strike errors from the early decimal period are exceptionally rare. A beautiful, dramatic version of this mistake could command a price tag from £5,000 to £25,000. But here is where the money truly multiplies. If the error is so severe that the coin shows to completely separate and clear impressions of severe misalignment, the value of that humble coin can skyrocket to £50,000 or even higher. Keep in mind that extreme multi-strike errors from other years have already fetched six-figure prices, and experts believe a one-of-a-kind 1971 to new pence multi-strike could absolutely break auction records. The next thrilling category collectors search for is the off-center strike. This is one of the most visually exciting mistakes. It happens when the blank metal disc, the planchet, doesn't sit properly on the press, and the powerful die comes down and only strikes a portion of the coin. While a slight miss might only be a minor flaw, a large, dramatic off-center error, especially one that leaves a huge, clear, blank crescent of original metal, is incredibly sought after. A mild 15 to 20% off-center strike might be valued between £500 and £1,000. But find a severe 40 to 60% off-center strike, where you can still clearly read the full date of 1971. That coin's worth could shoot up to a stunning £5,000, £10,000, even £20,000 or more. Now imagine finding an extreme 70% off-center example with all the surrounding legends still complete. Finally, always check for the hidden error that only shows up when you flip the coin, the die rotation error. This mistake occurs when the front side and the back side of the coin don't align correctly when you turn it over. A minor 30-degree rotation might be worth a modest £100 to £300. But if you find a severe rotation of 90 degrees or more, you could be looking at a coin valued between £2,000 and £5,000, potentially reaching £10,000 depending on the condition and clarity. And for the ultimate discovery, what if a 1971 to new Pence surfaced with a full 180-degree upside-down rotation? That extremely well-preserved coin could easily command a price of £25,000 or even higher. It's astonishing to think that a coin made by the billion, one that was simply small change in 1971, is now a potential hidden jackpot. The 1971 UK Elizabeth II to new Pence is a sleeping giant of the coin world, filled with possibilities for legendary errors. Now that you know the secrets, go check those old jars and collections. And that, coin fanatics, brings us to the end of today's deep dive into the astonishing world of the 1971 to new Pence errors. We've uncovered the shocking truth that this common coin is a treasure map to some potentially massive wealth. Remember, what you saw today is just a small piece of the numismatic puzzle. The world of rare coins, from dramatic strikes to valuable rotations, is always changing, and we're here at CoinInfo to make sure you never miss a beat. If you've enjoyed learning about these hidden six-figure errors, please take a moment to hit that like button. It truly helps this channel reach more collectors just like you. And if you're serious about finding real value in your spare change, you absolutely must subscribe to CoinInfo. Tap the bell icon so you get a notification every time we drop a new video, revealing the next coin you need to check. Thank you so much for watching and for being a part of the CoinInfo family. Keep checking those jars, keep looking closely at your change, and never underestimate the value of a little piece of history. Until the next valuable discovery, happy hunting, and we'll see you in the next video.